Hey guys, what's up? So we went to the FanFest Academy on 15th of March. So this video is gonna be a vlog about it. I'll be just documenting what all we did there. So yeah, let's go. So we took the metro, traveled by metro to
Hello! Say hello!
What's up?
Today we're going to the YouTube FanFest Academy where
AIB is gonna
you...
come
नहीं, don't tell them. We'll reveal धीरे-धीरे. कैसे?
slowly.
So बहुत सारे बड़े-बड़े creator आ रहे हैं and a lot of Delhi YouTubers will be there, so it'll be a nice time. Hopefully. We're about to reach with an auto. We're wearing our Teen Trolls t-shirts again because that's all we have. And this is cool.
Yeah.
And we are also cool, so double cool. धूम जा. भैया कितना देर लगेगा अभी और? ज़्यादा देर नहीं लगेगा. चलिए. भैया ने भी कह दिया अब तो. I'll talk to you when we reach there, okay? We are here. We have to go there.
Let's go there.
Long way to go. And we have reached to the location. What's up? Tarun's there. Karan's there. Bhaiya is also here. Cool. Chalo. Okay, thank you. And here's the channel name. Tarun. Yeah, that's the focus. That's the focus we need. Varmala. Yeah, hello, what's up?
Hi, what's up?
He's always Snapchatting. Come on, tell him to put stuff on YouTube, promote YouTube, not Snapchat.
Add me on Snapchat.
Fuck off. हम यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा जल्दी आ गए हैं. हमें लगा कि क्या पता कुछ मिल जाए जल्दी आने का.
Are you enjoying? I'm enjoying. You are enjoying. We are enjoying.
We'll take you along. I will show you everything.
This is the enjoying cycle.
and also there was this photo booth over there which was awesome.
Getting a Polaroid ready. They've been shaking it for half an hour. आज मैं तरुण आई हो स्क्रीनशॉट ले लूँगा. There you go. What's up?
ये मैं ले जाऊँगा.
ये मेरी है. चल आजा. This was sitting alone. Should I go? Should I not? I think he heard that. There are a lot of creators over here. Say hello. Hi guys. Hi. So we're done with the first half.
Yeah, lunch break is on.
Lunch break, free food. मैंने सुबह से कुछ नहीं खाया. This is a camera person.
They love us.
Hello. Can you please be in my vlog?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, hello. I'm kind of nervous. Yeah. Just say anything. I have no idea.
Hi guys, I'm Kerry Sebastian,
I'm Noel Matthew.
and you need to watch the Teen Trolls. They're a great YouTube channel. And if you don't like it, don't blame me. But if you love it, it's all because
We
of me.
didn't pay him.
Yeah, we didn't pay.
I mean, you're a YouTuber.
I don't even know I'm in this video. But
Yeah, because
one day I will be a
One day, yeah.
Yeah.
You're gonna get an Oscar.
I have a one-on-one session with you only.
No, sweet, awesome.
Yes.
I'll see you then.
Glad you guys enjoyed the video. Just say anything to the world out there. Anything
Yeah, keep watching our videos, keep following us. You're gonna get a lot of music.
And I love him.
No, both love.
No, I got it. Tarun, अभी हम किससे मिले? Sanam. Fuck yeah. I met Kenny.
He's on my Snapchat.
He's on his Snapchat.
Go at me.
And he went straight away, said, you're on my Snapchat. Thug life.
Sanam, you're on my Snapchat, man. What's up? I love you, man.
And I was like, about to cry first up. And we met Kenny. We met Sanam. How many to go?
AIB.
AIB to go. Still left. हमें यहाँ जाना है.
and then we met AIB too. So Rohan Joshi from AIB does these hilarious gadget reviews on his Instagram, so I asked him to do one.
Do a gadget review of this camera.
Hi, welcome to Gadget Review. The gadget I'm reviewing today is this big Nikon digital camera because apparently he has not discovered camera phones yet.
Exactly.
His channel is called The Teen Trolls Chawla.
My name is
Okay, he's the Teen Trolls Chawla. So please subscribe to The Teen Trolls Chawla. None of the other Teen Trolls, only Chawla. Chawla. And Kukreja also. Wow, I feel like a Punjabi wedding Chawla.
Next one's coming, sir. When is the next one's coming? That's the question. Reference to the video. Next one, sir.
Joining Snapchat. Hello, how's it going? Follow me on Snapchat. User account.
Then there were multiple sessions and panels on a variety of topics.
Channel, but he plays like around 14, 15, how many characters? 16. She's flown down from London to be a part of FanFest this year. So please give a big round of applause for Kaushik. Next up we have Biswa. Biswa is there. So panel began that shoots all his videos with which cycle?
Nexus 5.
Is around, but I kind of sandwiched my ring light.
This happened, this bookshelf just happened to be there. Like हम लोग shoot कर रहे थे and that room you could only put the camera in two places, on the bookshelf or opposite the bookshelf. There's no so by default that location. People thought it's a studio set. It's not. वो कानन का घर है.
But then it's like quite difficult. और अभी तो दिक्कत हो गई, मेरे घर के पीछे कोई घर बना रहा है ऊपर तो वो चलता जा रहा है, वो घर उसका बनता जा रहा है. It's like
Please welcome on stage Kenneth Sebastian.
Hey guys, it's Kyan time. What's up? How you guys doing?
Good.
Wow.
Look, we're all breathing Delhi air, so we're all heroes, guys. We're all heroes.
Fourish Fivish. Awesome. So she's the veteran here.
Yes.
Right? And Sanam?
Yes.
I got the YouTube t-shirts.
You guys remember me? I'm the nice girl.
She's the nice girl.
The fashion street industry. If you guys remember me, comment below. But if you guys don't remember me, don't. Please. It's very embarrassing.
Please comment. ऐसे बहुत अजीब लगता है कि जब बोलते हैं ना comment down below if you like this.
And if no one
और नहीं आता ना ऐसा लगता है fuck क्या हो रहा है मेरे लिए.
motivated to comment, it's okay. Yeah, but
And then lastly, there was this one-on-one session.
Hey, I only met you, dude. Yeah. Okay, so
So basically, we got an opportunity to talk one-on-one with any of the creators we like, and I chose Kenny, obviously. And to sum up the conversation, I'd say it was the best conversation I've ever had with anyone yet.
we met Kenny, we met AIB, we met the SNG comedy, we met Rohan, Tanmay, everyone. Mission accomplished.
Yes.
शुरू में I was so nervous कि पता नहीं हो पाएंगे नहीं.
We met
Sanam. And the battery is about to be dead any time now. So अगर मैं outro ना कर पाऊँ तो it's because of that.
मत जाना.
But मैं still कर लूँगा.
okay, bye.